Welcome back to Preschool Genius. Today, we're gonna play and learn about different types of sports balls. Let's get started. Can you guess what kind of sports that use this kind of ball? American football. American football is played between two teams of 11 players using an oval-shaped ball.
Don't forget to subscribe!
Pool ball. Did you know that pool is one of the safest sports in this world? Bowling ball. Bowling balls come in a variety of different weights. The heaviest bowling ball you can get is 23 pounds. Volleyball. A single player may jump as many as 300 times in a volleyball match. Hockey puck. The earliest hockey games were played with chunks of frozen cow dung. Water polo ball. Water polo is a thrilling sport that combines elements of swimming, football, and handball. American football, pool ball, bowling ball, volleyball, hockey puck, water polo ball. Thanks for watching. I hope you are enjoying playing with us today. See you in the next video. Bye.